Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a Tunisian simple stitch. To make this, we'll chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've made chain of 12 and we'll work in each of the loops, but we are not making simple stitches. So go right over here, bring over your yarn, go to the next one, bring over your yarn, in each loop we'll do the same sequence till the end. The last one. So we see. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do not miss any of the loops here. And if we have skipped the one which is here, we should have 12. Then chain 1, yarn over. Now we'll bring the yarn through these two loops. So that way. Okay. At the end we should have two loops here. So this is what we are going to get at the end, and to continue we'll do the same sequence and move back again, but we are going to work in this stitch here, the stitch which is in between here. It's a horizontal line, so I'll work this way. Insert your hook, bring over your yarn. Okay, insert your hook, bring over your yarn, insert your hook, bring over your yarn, insert your hook, bring over your yarn, and continue till the end. See, we'll work in the last one here. Chain 1, this is what you should get. Then we'll do the same, yarn over, bring all 2 loops, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. All 2 loops, not forget. There. So this was our first row. The second one, you see we have those horizontal lines, so I will work through again the same stitch here, like that. That way. See, that's going to form. So when I get back here at the end, I'll show you what to do. So here is the result. As you can see, we made chain of 12. Yeah, then when we made chain of 12, we went into each of the loops, and without skipping we made loops of 12 till here, and we stitched in the last loop, and we went all back in all the 2 loops, as you can see there, till here, to have 2 again, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we stitched back in these stitches which are here, form horizontally. So show you my last round. So here is the stitch, insert my hook in this stitch here, there, yarn over, back, yarn over, pull back, stitch, yarn over, pull back to the stitch again. To the stitch there, yarn over, pull back, stitch, you can see, yeah. And the last stitch here, insert a hook, chain 1, yarn over, sorry, through, through, see, you should have 2 loops. There, this is how it should look like. Now to finish up, enter my hook here, bring over the yarn and slip stitch there. Go to the next one, slip stitch, next one, slip stitch, the next one, slip stitch, the next one, slip stitch, next one, slip stitch, slip stitch, then and slip stitch. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made line of 12 or chain of 12. I worked in each of the loops which are here. I continue making loops, putting in my yarn in the first loop I brought over, then the second one, third one, and I continued to the last one, and I worked all back till here to get my 2 loops, and I pulled through 2 loops the yarn, and I continued the sequence till the last one here. I chained 1 and pulled all through 2 loops back again. So it is the same sequence. If you want to make a bigger one, you can make it. Normally this stitch is also used as an Afghan stitch, but normally people call it a Tunisian stitch. So I already made one of this, which is a bigger one, as you can see. I use this for my dishwashing purpose because sometimes I run out of a sponge, so I made this, and it's easier. You can wash and reuse it, so it's all round recycling it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have questions, please comment below, like, share and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye. God bless you.